That's interesting. Okay. This is fine. Okay, so the main thing was you wanted to tap the chat. That's not coming through. What? Oh, now it... Okay, is it now live? Why does it seem like my chat thingy is not working? Why is my chat box not working? Oh, that's the wrong link. That one. Why are you not working? Because I was messing around with bloody Twitch stuff yesterday. Hey, Sneaky! Wait, so my microphone's over here, that would help. Hello! Let's put some music on. So we at least have that. I'm amused because I went live to test some chat things, and then it seems like that my little chat box thingy is dead. So that's fun. Anyway, how you doing? How's your weekend been? My parents were here earlier because of Father's Day and stuff, but they've gone. Toby is very tired from playing with Banjo, so... Yes, you heard your name. Hello. Also, someone's having a barbecue out in the barbecue area, and it's great. It smells amazing. It was very smoky when they started out. Okay, seriously, why is my chat box not working? Hello! I just whacked myself in the face. Hello, how you doing? Yeah, that chat thing is very much not working, isn't it? My other problem is I don't actually know which one I've been using. Because as it turns out, I have multiple things on each overlay, which is great. Okay, that one's dead. What is that even? I haven't cleaned up my overlays in so long, and I have so many sources that I don't use anymore. We're gonna delete a few things. Hang on. Do I have my webcam in here twice? Oh, right. I was doing that for a while. I forgot about that. Oops. Subway. Oh, that'd be nice. Actually, I had a veggie pie from the corner shop for lunch, which was pretty good. I like that. Also, okay, so this is the new overlay I've been working on. The socials thing down the bottom is going crazy because I I lowered the counters massively. We want to set up my StreamElements commands again. I want to get this thing working properly. I have considered making the bottom and top banners bigger so that there's more space for that socials thing, but whatever. But yeah, I was trying to put chat over on this side, like as a transparent thing, but my chat's just not working. So I don't know what's up with that. That's annoying. I'm just like messing around with a bunch of stuff to see if I can get it to... I forgot I meant to... Why have I got 2 of these? What is the point? That one's slightly zoomed in. That one isn't. Why am I... We're just gonna get rid of that scene. And I'm gonna replace this with the other scene. So that we're not doubling up on stuff like this. Okay, cool. That scene can go away, actually. There's so much crap in here. Maple supper day and... Ooh, nice! Oh yeah, because the turkey one would be a cold sandwich, wouldn't it? So that wouldn't be, Don't mind me, I'm just cleaning stuff up and that requires me having this screen on for a second. Why would I have that as a thing? That doesn't make any sense. These overlays are an absolute mess. Is in Turkey? Yeah, that's fair. We discovered this morning that the corner shop does toasties. And specifically we discovered this because my parents got the last 2 toasties in the shop. Which are really nice. Well, they seem to think it was really nice. Dad said something about the cheese that the guy uses is really really good. So that was cool. Hang on. Why is that? Oh, that's why I've done that. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Cool. Oh, that's why I had that in there. Oh, I'm an idiot. Okay, hang on. Hi. I am just literally running through a beat. Whoops. Hang on. We gotta hide that. There we go. Okay. I just have so much shit. Why? That's not even on. Wait, where is... Oh, because that's coming from... How have I not had 2 chat boxes this entire time? I'm just staring at this going, how is this working? I actually don't know how this was working. Like, I don't understand. Which is mildly terrifying. How do I emulate a chat? Not just that, but like... It's right until 1 PM, so okay. Oh, okay. Tomorrow with Spider and Georgia moving. Oh, okay. So what, they're going to the airport at like 5 AM or something, aren't they? That's just not coming through. Is StreamElements just broken or something? Oh, hey. Its attempts to contact the YouTube API are returning a 400. Why do I get the feeling like YouTube's changed its API or something again and now it's just not? Maybe it does at 8. Ah, okay, so that's how it works. to figure out, like... I don't know why it's so hard to get YouTube chat working in OBS. And it was working fine till, yes, well, until everything updated, basically. No, I don't want a Chrome extension. That is ridiculous. It seems like StreamElements is just broken, which is terrible. I was at IKEA now. Ask if I still wanted the ottoman you ordered for me. Oh dear. Of course, of course. Why is this the way? I can't test things if my chat overlay is just not gonna work. Sometimes I feel like I just need to talk to other streamers more and be like, how is your overlay set up? Because I just can't. Why? What is this video? This seems weird. Apologies in advance for being able to hear. Oh no, this is like being able to see. Oh! Well, that wasn't what I wanted. But that is kind of helpful, although I found a video that is a workaround for a thing that is fixed in the latest version of OBS. So it would have been helpful like a week ago, but now it's not. Yeah, well, that's the one thing, like my chat box and that little sub label are the two things I'm not using my own code for, and they keep breaking. Like, it's reaching the point where I just want to code my own because I'm so sick of them breaking. The chat just breaks all the time. Like, I've done this. I've done this so many times, and yet it just doesn't. I'm getting a bunch of Google results that are like, this is how you view your chat while streaming. Oh, I think I found an issue. Because I made this an unlisted stream because I'm testing stuff, but I think this is broken. I think that's actually breaking in the chat. Okay, I'll be back. Oh dear. Okay. Oh, okay, that's all it is. Hello. All that fussing, and literally the problem was you can't use the StreamElements chat thing with a unlisted stream. Which makes sense now that I think about it. I just didn't think about it. Oh dear. Okay, anyway, we're good. We're good. I have considered creating my own chat overlay before, but I hate working with Google's APIs, and so I assume the YouTube API is probably just as terrible. And just like, as soon as I think about all the different things I'd have to manage, I'm just like, nah. If I can, this is one of the few things, if I can use something for it, I'm just gonna do it. Oh, I'm gonna need to make a different, Gonna have to make a different one just for this, aren't I? This is fine. We're gonna duplicate that one. YouTube. Submit. Oh! Okay. StreamElements have started to integrate their YouTube and Twitch side of things. Because I just went to do a thing in the overlay editor and it prompted me to ask if I wanted to do YouTube or Twitch or both, which I've never seen before. It might have been there for a while, but I don't tend to mess with this very much. I should probably wait. I need to download this. God damn it! Why do I not have the thing on there? Where am I? This one. Okay, give me my script. And then I need to do the download. That's what downloads that thing. There we go. My overlays are slightly batshit. That's fine. Alright, cool. And then that's gone weird, hasn't it? Why has it gone weird the instant I decide to download the damn thing? Okay, no, that's fine. That's fine. I should have two, how do I upload again? Over here. Wait, no, this is gonna be easier if I just... I was about to navigate my computer trying to figure out where something went to, and then I'm like, wait, no, that's gonna suck. We're just gonna open an Explorer and just hit the thing. This is fine. I named that badly. Anyway. That's fine. Yeah, that one. Go. Cool. Okay, and then what we're gonna do is gonna change the height of this. Because this can now be full height. God damn it, I didn't want to move it. What have I done? Oh no, that doesn't... Okay, hang on. I gotta back out of the changes I was making because I messed up and I need to go back. Doesn't get to level 10 because I don't want to take a whole month. Just finish it. Wait, Alpha, welcome. Sorry, I started reading those like, wait, what? What? Physical Strain 3? Level 10 first, I reckon. Or whatever you need to do to unlock a bunch of stuff. Because I think that'll be the main thing. You can always go back to story mode later. So, okay, I'm gonna save that. We're gonna change the image to that one. I'm gonna save that. And then we're gonna go to this. And, okay, I don't wanna... I need to make it taller, but then I only wanna do like... Why is that? That's weird. Why? Why? Why do you like this, StreamElements? What can I do that's like that? Okay, cool. That's what I want. Alright, so what we're gonna do is we're going to make a new source. Is that a browser source? That's a browser source. Let's see, chat. I have so many sources. Oh my goodness. Let's ignore that for a sec. What are my sizes on this? Oh my goodness, I don't know. I need 20, 1080. For some reason that is not full size, but okay. Aha! I've done the thing. Except I do need a bit of a background. And goofed, yeah. Streamer is basically trained. I mean, is it barbecue sauce? I want to put a background color on that, but I don't. Wait, how do I get background color? You make it give it an opacity, but that's not what I want. Theme, custom. Oh, background color. There we go. What do I reckon would be a good background color on the chat, just to make it like a little bit easier to read? I mean, I can make it my usual purple. Do something like this. No, that looks a bit weird, doesn't it? Should we just do like a grey? What do you guys reckon? Do something like that. Just to make it a little bit easy to read. What if I did like I do like that I can just change this and have it. Well, I don't mind that color. Because I do go for the purple a lot of the time. We need a bit of padding if we're gonna do that though, because can I get padding? Yeah, I sort of grabbed one of the colors from like the background thingy. What are you doing? Can I do like custom? I don't know how I'd possibly do put padding in here. I don't know if I can. It's a little bit annoying. The one thing, again, one of the reasons I would potentially just code my own is because I can put my own damn CSS on it. Wait, if I do the sneaky thing, I preview this, open a new tab, inspect. What's the like top level? I'm just wondering if I could like put my own CSS into it. Imagine the left side of the chat box. Yeah, like a bit of gap between the edge of the purple and the thing. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to figure out. If I can... I don't know why, but I just completely failed to remember what's a class and what's a an ID at this point. No, I want dot. Okay, so I think if I did... I've never played with this before. This is fun. Widget. No, let's just try that, see what that looks like. I hit refresh. I don't know if that's going to help not very much. Hitting refresh has made it go a little bit interesting. Thank you. We're getting there. Oh, I see. Huh. Okay, that didn't do anything. There's a bunch of bloody inline styles. Oh, hello. Oh. Oh, I see. Well, that's annoying. Why would you do it that way? Would I need to work on this one to get it to... Aha. Okay, that's an interesting way to do things, but all right. I love that this is a YouTube thing, but it's the HTML for it's called Twitch chat. Also, this is fine. No, that doesn't manage. That didn't work. How do I... It is very... I think it's glitching quite a bit because I'm doing all kinds of crazy stuff. Whoops. Anyway, this is fine. I don't know how to... There's no, like, advanced thing that will let me just put custom CSS into a StreamElements widget, which is a little bit annoying. How would I... Session data? No. Yes, I've set it custom because I want it to be custom. How do I... Why? StreamElements, why you make this so hard? Oh, you know what I could do? Instead of doing that... Hang on. How do I add stuff again? I keep forgetting. I'm thinking I might cheat. Haha. Oh, no, that's not what I wanted. Never mind. That can go away. YouTube. Can I just do that? And then if I set it... Alright, we're gonna do this the way that is slightly insane, but gonna drive me less crazy. So we're gonna code the damn thing. Screw it. Alright, which means I need to overlay that over the video, which is gonna be fun. And I need to do that without... Okay. So this is gonna be a chat background. And then that's just a basic div. And then, alright. So we're gonna do main section chat PG. I'm doing unnecessary levels of HTML here, but this is fine. All right, so our width was 350, which I'm going to make that 360. So we have some extra stuff. I have height is 940. I do kind of like that I figured this out in the StreamElements editor, and now I'm like, now I can just code it and I already have all the numbers because I figured it out graphically. Top. Particularly positioning. Oh my goodness, I hate figuring out positioning. Left 32. I may need to add the buffer to that. But this is fine. Where did I put the background color? There it is. Yeah, this is why I figured out what I wanted my overlays to look like in an art program first, and then I coded them. It's just a little bit easier. All right, so now if I'm gonna kill that background color. a reset button? Okay, no background. But instead, we're gonna have it in this thing. Go to my, aha. We're gonna round some borders because that always looks nicer. That's the other thing. I can just go, yeah, I want rounded borders. We're just gonna round the borders. It's fine. All right, how's that lining up? What does sheep like to do on the internet? Oh, what she I missed the first part of that before, and I was like, what? What patrol? All right, so now, if I just move that to the left slightly, what do we reckon? Like 20, 28 pixels? Problem is I have to reset it. We'll just do that. No, that didn't reset the thing. Wait, no, I reset the wrong one. Refresh. Oh wow, that's really dark now. What have I done? What have I done? Oh, I didn't hit save. Yeah, that'd do it. Not hitting save would do it. Yeah. Okay, refresh that. Why is the color wrong? What is it doing? Oh, that is the wrong color. Why does that look so weird? Oh, because I have it on the green and it's a chroma overlay. That's a point. I hadn't thought of that. I'll figure it out first, and then I might need to do a thing, which is fine. Okay. That placement's decent. I might make it a little bit... We need a little bit more padding, I think. So if we make it that... and then we do that. Yeah, okay. I think I might make that too. Which would mean I need to make this that. Okay. All right. I think refresh that page to see that bit better. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Okay, I like where the chat is. Now we have the chroma key problem. I think I have to do that as a separate thing to make it come through properly. Hey, Rick! Welcome, how you doing? Welcome to a coding stream, I guess. I'm not sharing my screen at the moment, but I am coding. I'm changing my overlays. So you get to just hear me cursing at code, basically. Chatting and doing coding stuff. Just trying to think of what the best way to do this will be. Okay. I think I know what I need to do. And I'm mildly annoyed at this, but anyway. This is fine. Sometimes things don't work out quite as nicely as you hope. Paste. Chat. G. Alright, close that so I don't get confused. We're gonna do that as a static. So I'm gonna need that. We need that. Now this is gonna be fun. What is my... Right, my position absolute. So I should be able to just kill the rest of it. And it'll magically work. Famous last words, I know. But we're going to attempt kill everything and it'll magically work. So I'm gonna do that. We're gonna do no, I need that. I need that. Don't need that. Except I actually do need to change that. One of these days I'm gonna have to clean up this bloody. Actually, why don't I just copy that in? Copy in what I need. That's gonna make more sense. Delete. There's some horror games for the theme of fall. Every year we're coming up on Halloween, I'm like, I should play some horror games for once, and I never get to it. I really don't like them. We had some good suggestions last year though. I really did almost do it, and then I think I just also didn't stream at Halloween, which didn't help. But yeah, I mean, I'm not entirely against it. Just have to, like, yeah, figure out what I'd want to do. I've forgotten how to do inline style sheets. It's literally just a style tag, isn't it? Yeah, it's literally just a style tag. Okay. Wow. My brain. The fact I couldn't remember that is, a little sad. This is how long it's been since I've done, like, proper HTML work. Oops. Alright, let's delete all the stuff I don't actually need. I don't have a million lines of bloody CSS here. Rick, do you have any recommendations? Preferably something that's not going to completely give me nightmares. Hurricane. That's right. We played Ouija last year, I think, for Halloween, and then it took me like 3 months to finish it. So, Ravenloft game. This is true. This is a possibility. All right. Should put this on my index so I can actually see the damn thing. Wait, did I turn on the download? No, not yet. Okay, cool. Right. Okay, so we need to kill that. We need to kill that. Basically, I'm just going through and killing everything that's color. Apart from... When did I do that? What's that from? Do I even need that? Nope, that can get deleted. Cool. Oh, wait, no, isn't that the outer? No, that is the outer one. Whoops. Need that. Okay, now I just gotta kill all the colors. Not that one. Where's my brain? That one. Alright, that was the image. Okay, cool. Aha! Alright, now if I turn my download on... So what I should get out of this is at last, but that might be Mortrix. I've been seeing some clips from Mortrix. Who is it? Someone I follow, I think, did a video like literally this week for Mortrix Assistant, and the title is like, "Don't watch this" or something. I was like, ah, right. Okay, that's gonna go over into my... Yeah. We're gonna put it in here so I can't lose it. Because I've done that. The number of times I've lost like overlay images is kind of terrible. Chappy. Okay. I would be very amused if anyone tried to ever find anything on my computer. This thing is also slightly batshit. Okay. So then we... Yes, that is weird at the moment. It's fine. We'll get there in a second. I got a filter. I got a chroma key. And we got a chroma key white because I was... select color. I had a green chroma key on my other one, but then... I don't think that worked. What's that? No, that's from that one at the moment. Where's my... Where is my file? Chat thingy. Did I save that? I now have too many things open. Alright, if I refresh this, let's see what this looks like now. No, the chroma key did too much. I need that to be a plain background, a transparent background instead of a white background. That's a pain. Wait, can I actually do that on this? I don't know. I have a canvas, and then can I do canvas transparent background? Can it do it? See it? Pass background color as null. Oh, perfect. That's exactly what I wanted. Okay. Element. Background color null. Aha! Okay, so we do this. That's a weird setting I've never seen before, but okay. It did it! Yes! Okay, perfect. We've done the thing. Finally. Back to the thing, please. Okay, and we're getting rid of that because that had a white background, which isn't what we wanted. Do like a horror movie night, but I think YouTube would get pretty mad. Admittedly. I've done some movie night things before with like one of the Splatoon communities, but yeah, YouTube would get pretty mad at that, I think. Why have I... Oh, I don't need the chroma key anymore. If I get rid of that, yes. And then I need to put it under the chat. Hey, okay. Rick, I'm glad you're here because I can now see that your name, the color of your name is clashing with that kind of horribly. I'm also now wishing I moved that StreamElements thing up a little bit. Oh yeah, that is on the right one. I could make it wider as well, but I think we're good. Yeah, like that's always the hard thing when you want to pick a background color. It's like picking something that's not gonna be too much. I am now wondering if I've done this like a silly way. I think there was an easier way of doing all of this. Which I've done before as well, and then I just didn't think of it. Can I pick? I can pick the thing. Okay. What am I using? What am I using? I don't remember. 46, 25, 53. 46, 25, 53. What's 255 divided by... It's 85% of 255. We're just gonna put 200 and see what happens. Yeah, I have realized after doing all of that there was a far easier way of doing that. Oh dear. 370 by 950. 370, 950. But now I can see what I'm doing. Because I can go 25 and 65. 60? 65. How did that work? No, 20 and 65. Okay, that makes more sense. Oh, I actually did that math exactly right. It's 21. Thank you. So I made that slightly different then, but that's fine. Okay, so your name is pretty hard to see there. So if we make that like this, is that name? No, it's still really hard to see. I don't know if I'm gonna manage any better. Like, I feel like no matter what background color I set, it's just always gonna be really hard to read some colors. So, I mean, 21 would be a bit less than 10% of 255. It's 50. Yeah, okay. Oh, thereabouts. Close enough. I don't know. If anyone has any ideas for a better color, let me know. Well, that doesn't have the rounded corners, does it? I do like my rounded corners. I don't know. Have purple names there fixed? What do we reckon? I now have two different versions. I like the second one slightly, purely because it has the rounded corners. This is fine. We'll run with this. It's fine. Okay, cool. Well, I have a thing. This is what I wanted. I just wanted like a really clean overlay. So, and I can put, actually, I gotta test that my social thing still works on my other screens. Because I modified the code for the socials thing quite a bit. The chat box is having so much trouble. All this like jumping around and stuff. It's not having a fun time. This is fine. Oh wait, actually on this one I should test. Why does that one not... What have I done to my overlay widgets? Did I remove the chat from that one? Is this just the widget now? Oh, I did. Why did I do that? That was weird. Anyway, that's fixed too. Like, the more I look at my overlays, the more problems I find. It's kind of terrible. What's this alert box hooked up to? Is this Streamlabs? That's Streamlabs. We don't need that. That's fine. That can go away. Oh. Yeah, we're trying to do it that way. Jeez. I've like attempted to update a bunch of stuff on these at some point, and then I only did it halfway. All right, Ham, see you. Thank you for your help. I shall see you another time, I'm sure. Oh my goodness. The sheer number of... Look at the doubled overlay. I've been messing with so much stuff. It's like... It's really confused it. This is fine. This is part of what we're trying to do here, is just clean this up. That's going away. That's going away. Oh my goodness. I have so many less things in my overlays now. It's great. Yes. Yes. That's behind there as well. That's fine. That go. Jeez, I have so many things that have just been sitting here. No wonder my overlays like take forever to load every time I change scenes. This is kind of terrible. I should have done this a while back. That's so that I can do that, right? And then that can go away. I could really just build that into soon, and because I don't like the purple on the. If I just build that into soon and end. What's that color? All right, hang on. We're gonna go fix some things with the soon and end screens. What am I using for? Is Altfit the AFK and yeah, that's why have I not. Sometimes I just look at what past me did and I'm like, why did I do any of this? Why? What was I thinking? Oh. Alright, so hang on. Where's my... I have too many tabs open. Too many tabs open. Let's use soon as an example. Okay. Rather than green. That's not meant to be green. That's meant to be purple. Why did I make it purple? Ay, ay, ay. Okay, do I have a chat? Why do I have a chat? Aside div chat. Okay. Aside div chat. Background color purple. Damn it. Okay. And then that should have also changed AFK. And end. Yup. Cool. And then that means if I switch to that one, I turn that off. Yup. That's already off because apparently I got sick of it. If I turn that, perfect. All right, that's gone away. I don't know why I don't just. All right, now the question is, do I want to do that with these ones as well? What have I got this running through at the moment? Why do I do this to myself? Every time. Every time. I'm like, why did I do this? Why did I ever do it this way? I don't know. Anyway, what's my bloody chat thing? Give me a color that's not green, please. I must have done this back when I had, like when I was using the Streamlabs overlays or something. Do I have this chat in here anywhere else? No. Oh, because it's running off the main. Sorry, I realize that probably most of what I'm rambling about makes absolutely no sense to anyone else. But anyway. Cool. Has that reloaded? Yes, it has. Alright, that's one less source. Okay, we have significantly lightened all the crap that was in my overlays. Like, we have our overlay, we have our chat box when it decides to work. I do hope I've been very aggressively deleting things, and I do hope I haven't accidentally deleted something I was not meant to. But anyway. That chat box is having some trouble. Oh no, it's come in. It's just this one that's having trouble. Oh, right. Yeah, you have to put the things in the right order. That way. I was like, why can't I see my... Why can't I see my chat box? And then I realized that was because I had my overlay on top of my chat box, and therefore it was hidden. Which makes sense. So... oh dear. Okay. Do I have the bloody refresh every time thing? Okay, let's turn that off. Because I think that's causing... I mean, it's useful for debugging. But I think that's causing some issues here. Because I think that's part of why every time I change scenes, there's always that flicker. Because it's like... it's freaking out slightly. I could make these ones static. Maybe I should. Because I don't have my socials thing on them. So, although I probably should. I should probably fix that one of these days. Anyway. Let's stop refreshing the damn things all the time. That's better. Okay, cool. Theoretically, I could also use this screen for games, which could be interesting. But, okay, and then the one other thing I wanted to do is I wanted to go grab my StreamElements commands and actually implement the damn things. Wait. Has it? No, these aren't my customers. I kind of really hate that the StreamElements commands don't go between Twitch and YouTube. It's a little bit maddening. I'm gonna have to, like... this is the thing, I have to manually transfer them over. Which is gonna drive me crazy. But anyway, we're gonna do it. Alright. Who's here? Is anyone still here after my rambling and complaining and... oh dear. I'm very much, going a little bit mad. Oh, that's gonna suck, isn't it? I mean, it's gonna suck either way. This is fine. I just realized that logging in to... I've had to open StreamElements in 2 different browsers. So that... wait, I think that's not the right password. So that I can copy everything over. Right, yeah, that would be my password. And then I need to do the thing. Jeez, it's been like an hour. Oh dear. Alright. What does that use again? Not that one. I always forget. Okay. Alright, which commands do I need? So for your friends, socials, what have I got? Alright, we need Twitter, Oshi, art credit, which I need to update. I really should be doing this on my bigger screen, but anyway. Unfortunately, there's a whole heap of stuff in here that we are probably not going to pull across. Wait, there's templates? Oh hey, didn't know that was a thing. Anyway, everyone... oh, no, copy, not paste. Go, that's the thing I want. Alright. Let's see, we've done those. The FC command will probably come in handy soon. So I can totally just get rid of the thing at the beginning of that. We don't need that anymore. There are so many. No, Toby. What's she doing? So many commands in here. Oh, hey, it's the sneaky command. I feel like I need to resurrect the sneaky command. Like, yeah, all right. What are people often have lurk commands? I have one and I just never quite. I don't know. Actually, that's shoutout's not gonna work on at least not gonna work well on YouTube. Oh, what am I doing? That's the wrong. All right. Sure. So many old commands in here that Tilt added. Yeah, Sneaky, I've added your command back in. I'm sort of picking out the favorites. If you have any suggestions, go for it. I've added Sneaky back, and I've added Bandcat, and I've added Blob. I'm gonna add Sum back. I forgot that was a command, but I like that one. This is so painful. You know what? No, I'm gonna add all the people ones. We're gonna add those back. Why not? Oh geez, the merch command goes to tpublic. I might have to we'll check that still exists. I'm not actually sure it does. What's other commands people usually have? I don't even know at this point. To update the Riptide command so it doesn't just say Splatoon 2. Oh hey, it's Ham's. I'd forgotten that Ham's command is goddammit Ham. Wow, laser, sleep. Oh yeah, sleep. We should do this. I should bloody. Oh, there's a Ham command and there's a Hamantha command. I forgot about that too. I'll have to go back. I saw Morlocks and someone else's earlier. I was gonna just copy over like the commands that I thought people would use more often, but no, we're screw it. We're gonna copy over a bunch just for the fun of it. Why not? Oh geez, I found all the goose ones. We can live without the goose ones, I think. This is fine. How many commands do you have? I mean, I knew you had a couple, but I'm finding a few here. I've added the stretch command. Tilt, yeah, pretty much. I mean, yeah, most of these were added by Tilt, so I don't think anyone's surprised by this. Spider has a command. I'd forgotten about that one as well. Hey, Z rank. No KVP, angry. I don't even. That goes to something. I have no idea. Gamba's command is I yeeted people with a hammer, PogChamp. Oh no. Oh no. Do I add the ooh one back? I feel like I need to add the ooh one back. Much as I hate it. Yeah. I'm gonna add gyms back. My other problem is I don't know which one of the tilt commands to add back. There is a few of them. Oh my goodness. How many? There's so many commands. So many. Wow, does this one actually work? Hang on. I gotta test this one. Because I just found a command that I didn't even know existed. Pilot! Hello, how you doing? Welcome. I'm doing a bunch of, setting up overlays and, fixing a bot issue and stuff like that today. So we're just kind of chilling with some music. I did not know that that was a command that existed. Thanks, Tom. I feel like he probably told me and I just never noticed because there's so many. Oh hey, hydrate. Oh, that's a redeem. I feel like we need a... Oh my god, I found another sneaky command. Another ham one. I'm trying to not end up with a million. Oh my gosh, I found Feats' command, which is paint the bloody ground already. Which I feel like is not quite what Feats says these days, but we're putting it in. Oh god, the riot. Riot commands. Me doing riot, me trying to write an ancient history site. Oh no. What's it on? I know nothing about history, but I'm really curious now. I love that there's a bunch of things in here that are just links to wiki pages. I'm keeping them because why not? But there is quite a few things that are in here that are just, yeah. Oh my goodness. I feel like, considering I forgot to unmute during the Oceanic stream the other day, the mute one is relevant again. Flanking bamboo. Oh no, who was that? Someone. We have a flanking bamboo command in here because of someone, and I know that was a particular person, but I can't remember who. Emote cult. Sure, why not? Let's add that back. I'm like, we're not doing all of them because there's so many commands. All right. Emotes by, and who was that person on? That religion finisher. Oh, then down as a result we know. Yeah, I feel like I've seen something recently about, I don't know how to pronounce it, finisher? It wasn't religion, but it was something else, and people were like, how do we research this? Yeah, I gotta go on Tumblr to find this person again so I can link them, because damn it, I'm gonna give people credit for drawing stuff. You mean the proper link, Tumblr? Damn it. Here we go. That's what I wanted. Oh no, now I can find my tab again. All right, cool. Phoenicia. Okay, yeah, that sounds good. That makes sense. I just managed to misspell credit. This is a much nicer overlay. I like this. It's like, it's really clean, which I've liked having a bunch of stuff on my overlays, but at the same time, I've seen a few streams that just had like a really clean overlay like this, and I'm like, yeah, this is good. I like it. But come on, I literally just added that one. Maybe I should just call it art. That's, and then I forgot the exclamation mark. That would help. Yeah, actually, we're just gonna call that art instead of art credit. Why not? Please save. Apologies for the spam. I'm trying to get the bot to work. And then I should go fix the... All right. Then I don't need that. The bot is not responding to that, which is a little bit annoying. Come on, bot. I'm just gonna double check that I've actually added it properly. Yeah, okay. God, it's also... No, it's very confusing. This entire stream has just been me cleaning up my overlays and going through everything and like deleting all the stuff I don't need. And it's just... There's just so much. Wait, didn't I see that you can have like groups of scenes now? Or am I going crazy? No. Okay. have like a fade thing. One of these days I want to set up like a stinger transition that I haven't done it yet. Bot, why are you so bad? Bot is meant to be doing things. It worked before. It worked with the meow one for some reason. Hang on, let's just try something else. Oh, I need to go back and add, that's right, Morlock and car. Wait, Pilot, did you ever have a command? I really don't know what Tilt added at this point. I wouldn't be surprised if you did. Hang on. Where did I see? I saw... Oh, there's... Oh, no. Oh, no. I just saw what SendJob's command is. Of course it's that. But also... Yeah, we're gonna add Riot back. Why not? Jeez, I don't even... Where did Gadsby come from? Where did I see Morlock had Goofy? Okay, where was? All right, Vin had one. And then Morlock had one. Okay. Oh, and then Shades had one. I was skipping over the people commands originally, but then I'm like, no, you know what? Let's do it. Did I add chomps? I don't remember. It'd be dead if you did. That's what I'm currently fixing. Because the fun thing when I switch from Twitch to YouTube is the bot that I use for all my commands, even though it exists for both YouTube and Twitch, it's two completely different like websites. And so what I'm currently having to do is I've got Twitch StreamElements open in Firefox and I've got YouTube StreamElements open in Chrome, logged into the separate accounts, and I'm currently having to manually copy paste all the commands I want from one to the other. Which is a nightmare, which is why I haven't done this since I switched to YouTube like 6 months ago. I can't see a command for you though. So, unfortunately, it seems like you never got one. Which perhaps we can add more now that I've sort of gone through things and it's hopefully a little bit more sane, maybe? Okay, so I need to make sure I have Twitter, Oshi, Art, Discord, Riptide, FC, merch. And I need to check on the merch one because I'm not sure that's still valid. Okay, we got Art, FC. All right, I can just have it there. That helps. Okay, so Twitter, Oshi. I think I saw Oshi up here somewhere. N. Yeah, Oshi. Art. I saw Toby. Calm down. Yes. Discord. Yep. Riptide. I saw that. Yep. FC. Good boy, Toby. Good boy. And then I need to go check that merch is actually still a thing, and that's actually the one I've been using because I don't remember. Yeah, okay, I think we're good. Dumb and annoying. Yeah, Toby's here. Hey, Toby, you want to say hi? No. There's people having a barbecue, and I think you thought that I meant go out there and say hi. No, Toby, stream. Who's this? Yeah, lift. Come on. If I try to pick you up, are you just gonna run away from me? Hello. Yeah, come say hi. I think he got woken up by a loud noise outside, and so he's kind of grumpy. He's like, no, my sleep. Hey. There we go. People are being noisy. I like this overlay. This is neat. I like it a lot. And if I don't want the chat, I can also just hide it. It is actually I can group. That's where you can have the groups. That's right. I remember now. I want to add a group. A group. There we go. Chat. Haha. All right, yes. And then I can drag those into there. And then put them back in the right order. And now, if I want to hide the chat, I just hit that button. This is good. I like this. Hey, Toby? You say hi to chat? Say hi. 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 Hey, Toby. There's this thing I figured out when I was looking up the migraine, not the migraine, the tinnitus fix, and there was a thing where like if you put your fingers on the back of your head and flick your fingers, you can make it stop. Mileage may vary. I learned how to do this weird flicky thing with 2 fingers, like this. Like you put this finger on top of this one and then flick it down. And it turns out he really, really hates that noise. Which I think was the video I put up today on YouTube, the short. But every now and then I just do it. And I don't know why, but he just doesn't like it at all. And he's like, stop. Hello. Hello. Yes, you're very cute. He has his paw on my hand. He's like, no, stop. All right. What is that? What is that much? Oh, hello. Oh dear, that. I love that Feats just said the thing, like one of the things that I was really excited about from the update, the OBS update, they took it out in the patch. I do want to try the new audio thing. That was cool. Apparently with OBS now you can set audio sources from specific programs, which is great. Like if you want to run Spotify. And you can also make it so, well, for Twitch, I don't know how this would work for YouTube, I'd have to check. But for Twitch, you could then make your music track not go to the VOD. So you can have it, you can have the music going to the live stream, but because the VOD gets sent separately to Twitch, you can have your music not go to the VOD, which is really neat. I do like that. I don't know if I'll use it, and I don't know if it works with YouTube, I'd have to check. But I appreciate that they've done that. Also, I'm now looking at the chat box going, I should have put more padding around, like more margin around that. This is fine, we can fix it in a second. Hello? Hello? You liking having some cuddles? You were very good when Banjo was here earlier. I got a few videos. I'll put them up later, and I think I've got a photo or two. Yeah, it's really cool. Like the audio changes for this new OBS version are pretty cool, I must say. That, like, that alone could save a lot of people from like weird audio mutes in their VODs. As Harris Heller did point out, that doesn't mean that you can use like any music still. You will still get DMCA strikes if you have DMCA music in your live stream. But at least it means that like your VODs won't get muted. Because that's a thing that is, yeah, quite a problem. You know, I stopped patting you, hey? And you were like, no, pats. Hmm? You didn't get enough of pats while Banjo was here. He was being very jealous of Banjo getting attention, so he got all the pats. You just want to steal my hand. He's tucked his paw over my hand, and he's like, yep, it's mine now. I have one hand now, that's it. Hey? Let's put this back over here so people can see me properly. Since you're all the way down there. Yes. But yeah, it's pretty good. I did have to change the UI back. I didn't like the new UI design. Mostly just because everything was so big. Like, they made all the buttons and everything twice as big. And so it just didn't fit on my screen properly. Like, I literally couldn't see all my sources. Because everything had so much padding on it that I had to scroll the list. And I don't want to do that. If you have, like, if you have a Stream Deck or something, like, that wouldn't matter. But it does for me, so... yeah. That's usually how it goes with... Yeah. What are you doing? Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Alright. How long have I been streaming for? I didn't pay any attention to when I started. I don't actually know. Wow, all my tabs have gotten weird because I've just been sitting here for so long. I gotta do some work stuff before I go to bed tonight. Like, for my new job. Don't let me forget. How long? Does it tell me how long I've been streaming for? I don't know. Oh, over an hour. Okay. I'm gonna take a quick break. And I'll be back. I need more, like, water and shit. So, we're gonna do the healthy thing and do some stretching and get some water and all that. I'll be back in a minute. I'll leave you guys with the music. I am very much trying to, like, do the healthy things with streaming, especially after the Splatfest the other day when I played for like 3 hours and then had a lot of muscle pain. I had to put a heat bag on my upper back after Splatfest. I only played for 3 hours, 3.5 I think. But it was a bit too much. After, I haven't played Switch games very much recently, and my posture's terrible, and I'm not used to it anymore, and it was bad. So we're not doing that. We're doing the healthy things. Also, do I want tea? I've already had a cup of tea and a cup of coffee today, but I kind of want more tea. It's like chilly. It's kind of chilly. Do I want tea? Toby's just staring at me. He's like, I don't know. Do we want tea? I'm gonna get more water first. You want a treat, don't you? Yeah. All right. I need it. I just remembered I can't make tea because I don't have any mugs clean. Because when my parents came to visit earlier, I literally had to pull like the two backup mugs that I keep specifically for this reason. I had to pull them out to make my parents tea because I need to be washing. So, okay, no. What kind of tea? Do I want a drink? I've already had coffee. I want a warm drink. There's nothing for you. I don't have a freezer for you. We're gonna be saw a message. Despite having assignments due, I played Splatfest all day. Yeah, I had a family... The kettle's boiling. Apologies if you can hear that really badly. I had a family reunion lunch on Splatfest Day. So that was a whole thing. So yeah, I like drove to my parents, had a massive family lunch thing that was actually really tiring, and then drove home and managed to catch the last few hours of Splatfest. So I also played a little bit the night before. I did make a EU account just to try, but you couldn't connect. Like, I reckon they were just... The ping requirements were quite high, or rather quite low, and so it just wasn't letting me connect at all. So I spent the night before just like messing around in the test range and stuff. But yeah, my hands all the way up to my shoulders, and then like across the top of my shoulder blades, kind of like those muscles, they hurt a lot afterwards. So I really do wish we had like the Wii U gamepad, because I had so much less pain from that. Rarities. I know, right? Damn, the family, literally like the day after they announced the test fire, my parents set the date for the family lunch. Like the morning after, I was like, damn it. I think it was probably also good though, because if I had the whole day to play Splatfest, I probably would have pushed myself to play too much. Like, because it was like, oh, it's only 12 hours, I gotta play all the stuff. I get the feeling I would have done a bit too much. And probably like either really hurt myself with it, or kept playing beyond the point I was enjoying it. So it was probably kind of good that I had that limit. At the same time, it was a little bit frustrating. Yeah, I'm making myself a hot chocolate because that I can do, and why not? Maybe, what do you think we're gonna do? Didn't I give you a tree earlier? Maybe a fish, like this fish or something? Look at you. Uh-huh. I see you tilting your head at me. I only played for a few hours, then immediately did split it. Have you like pre-ordered 3 already, or? I did buy the Splatoon 3 Switch. I didn't buy the Procon. I may yet. if they don't run out, of course. But I got the Switch because mine is getting dodgy. Like, it sounds like it's trying to take off about half the time, and I have had it freeze on me a couple times. Like, while playing, what's the game I've been playing lately? I don't remember. Like, not even anything as intensive as Splatoon, and it's frozen on me. So I was like, I get the feeling if I keep trying to play, like, Splatoon 3 on it, I'm gonna hit some troubles. So we got the new one. And I was also already thinking of getting an OLED, and then they announced the Splatoon 3 one. I'm like, well, alright. You can't have baklava. No. I have a very... I should brush my hair. Oh boy. I didn't realize how bad. Having it up was starting to annoy me, but I didn't realize how bad it was. Yeah. I think I'm gonna get my Splatoon 3 Switch tomorrow because a friend bought it for me because they could get it easier and cheaper. No. Have you tried, like, JBs and stuff? I would actually, one thing I've done before, and this was with Lego, but I know it happens, is if you call up a JB, they might have people who pre-ordered it and then never turned up to pick it up. And I think it, like, times out. Like, you get, like, a week to pick up a pre-order. Like, it's held for a week, and then if you don't pick it up in that time, they just sell it normally. And sometimes you can get on, like, a waiting list for those. But yeah, like, you won't find that on the website. You've got to call the shops, generally, to get that. But that is an option. I have done that for other things before. I'm about to eat, but also I have baklava and it's great, but my fingers are covered in honey and I haven't even started yet. No. JB, Big W, I saw it somewhere else. Big W is often cheaper than EB if you can get the right things, so that's fun. JB definitely have had it. That's the thing. Also, if you go with EB, everyone goes, oh yeah, I'll buy a gaming console from EB, and so they sell out immediately. Try Big W, try JB. No, don't worry. So many people think that. And that's why it's good to go with the other ones, because you generally have less problems with them being completely inundated with orders. So yeah, I know JB, Big W, someone else, Target and Kmart might have them? I don't know. But yeah, there's definitely other shops. Have a look around, see if you can find any. Also, Toby wants his baklava so badly. He's not even staring at the baklava, he's staring at me to beg. I would try to show you, but he's sitting like in the spot that I know the camera won't show properly. I need to set up the other cam as a dog cam. Hey, do you want your own camera? Toby cam? Yeah, then I'll have to redo my overlays again so I can show you Toby cam. But anyway. He's just puppy dog eyeing me. That's it. He's just like, gimme. Hang on. Okay, can I show you? Let's see. Ah. I'm trying not to use the part of my hands that's covered in honey. Yeah, you want baklava?
have one piece left and Toby is now eyeing it. There you go, Pilot. Sneaky found some. Found a thing. Okay, hang on. I can't put that back in properly till I've washed my hands. I'll be back. Why is it beeping? Oh, right. That's okay. What do you want? You're that hungry. I can't give you mints. It's still frozen. Oh, I didn't give Mum and Dad the bones. That's what I meant to do. Oh well, we'll hold on to them until we get back. How many treats have you had? Hey? Right. Oh, we had those as well. That is the last fruit you're getting today. He convinced me to give him another treat. Hayden! Hello, how you doing? Violet. Oh, okay. Hang on. Every time I do that to like show off Toby, I end up messing up my webcam. But anyway. Oh my goodness. How you been, Hayden? How's work? So yes, I'm changing my overlays. So this is my new one that I finished. Although I do think I'm gonna change that. the chat box thing. But anyway. I don't start yet. I got 3 weeks actually. I told them I could start in 2 weeks. So paperwork will take a week. Anyway. Told them I could start in 2 weeks. And then they came back and went, can you do 3? Apparently there's another guy starting and he can only do like 3 weeks time. And they want to have us start on the same day, so training and stuff, which makes sense. So I was like, yeah, I'll take another week of holidays. This is fine. I'm glad you love your job. Are you still like being inundated with learning all the things, or is it starting to calm down on that front? I'm not giving you more. Come on, come up and rest. Come up here and rest. Toby's begging. I just gave him another treat thing and he's begging for more. Flat out still. Oh, I mean, that's good. If it's keeping you busy and you don't mind it, it's like not too crazy. All right, I'm gonna close some tabs because I've got a million things open right now. Oh wow, I really need to update that TeePublic thing. If that's what we're gonna use, especially for Splatoon 3. Okay, I'm gonna make a note of that because I need to update that. That is old. I've lost track of all the merch things I've tried because all of them have something wrong, and so I keep trying different ones and just get to fly to work. Oh my goodness. Okay, that would be good. Cool. Flying to work would be very cool. It's gonna go up and back. Well, it went back. It just didn't go up at the same time. No, sit. This stupid thing. One of these days, I'll just get a new second mic boom. Oh. God, this thing's horrible. It's like, yeah, I got a new fancy boom for my mic, and then I put the webcam on the old dodgy one, and it's so bad. Anyway, I think I need to change the. No, I'm not giving you more. You've had your food. You have dinner in like 2 hours. You can last till dinner. Yes, you can. This dog, the look I'm getting right now. I think he knows that I've got some mints in the fridge defrosting. And so he's like, give me the mints. Nothing is living up to the mints that is in the fridge. That's in Discord. All right, so I had an idea. Literally when I switched to that AFK screen before. Hello? Yes. I think what I could do is I could merge... Oh, Toby. Oh my goodness. I had my legs crossed and he jumped up on my lap and there was not enough room for him to balance there. I think I could merge the style of this with the style of the new one. And I think it'd look better. Not even playing with... Nah. He doesn't play with the toys unless there's a person playing with him with his toys. That's kind of the problem. He's not a playful dog by himself. So okay, all right, I have a dog in my lap. All right, this makes coding very hard, but yeah, I reckon if I take this and I take the background and everything and then put this chat on it and then have the, oh wait, I never corrected that. Wait, didn't I correct that? Oh, right, I haven't refreshed that since. Okay, that's fair. Regular book, right? Okay, yeah, I mean, fair. My parents' dog basically only plays with, like, tennis balls, and then has slowly learned to play with other things that are ball-shaped over time. And then today, while they were here, I think Mum grabbed one of Toby's rope toys early on, and Banjo loved it. He was like, yeah, all right, let's play tug. And Mum's never seen him play tug before. So I actually ended up giving them a couple of Toby's rope toys. Because we had a couple, because Toby tends to chew through toys really quick. So I'd got a couple of like really tough ones, but they're too heavy. Like Toby has a cracked tooth, and it's fine, but it means he doesn't like anything like hard or heavy or anything. So yeah, he doesn't like playing with these tough ropes. So I gave them to Banjo today, and Banjo seems super happy about them, so. Spell 3 vid coming back. Oh no. Yeah, there's a bunch of people like data mining and hacking it and stuff to try and see stuff ahead of time. So I'm just avoiding like all the Splatoon stuff. So I do have all the videos I've been putting up from the Splatfest. I love how I played for, yeah, like 3 hours and I managed to make a bunch of videos out of it. Like, why not? You know, it was a bit of fun. But, right, yeah, I'm doing the thing. Okay, so I'm gonna take the AFK screen. I need to stop getting distracted. I'm gonna take that AFK screen and I'm going to... Oh yeah, I've been doing, just while I remember, I've been doing a bunch of video stuff. I have Toby shorts uploaded until early November. And I'm gonna add another, possibly 2 from today, I think. So you get a Toby short every weekend for the next 2 months. Have fun. And then I've got a couple of, I played Animal Crossing the other day and I actually really enjoyed it. So I did another Animal Crossing video and then I've got Grace! Hello! How you doing? I mean, yeah, it didn't help that I had about 20 different tabs open and so I keep getting distracted by my own tabs. Anyway. Alright, we're gonna fix the thing. So I'm gonna do AFK screen, and then I reckon I'll be able to do the soon and the end screens to match, like super easy. If I'm not being completely crazy. So the idea being, let's duplicate this so I'm not doing anything stupid to the one that I know works. AFK, duplicate, which I can't do because this thing is mildly annoying, but anyway. Paste. Yeah, I can stick. Actually, no, that's gonna annoy me. You know what I should do? I should really commit this. I've got version control, like I've got Git set up for this thing, and then I always forget. That's not the command I wanted. How many changes have I got? Oh, wow. That's a lot of changes. All right. My God. Update with new, minimal design. That'll do. All right, cool. It's in there now. All right, let's go. So I'm taking this FK thing and I had a problem with that when I was running a dog. What was that in response to, Hayden? I can't quite remember, sorry. It's myself. My overlays? Yes, if that's what that was. I'm thinking like 4 different things at a time, so I'm afraid I'm losing track of what people are responding to. But anyway, okay, AFK new, and then I literally just wanna. Can I just comment that out and it'll work? I'm not sure. It might. If it does, that'll be great. Alright, yeah. It helps if I restart my server. Not that command. Not that command. That command. There we go. Don't mind me, I just ran the wrong thing. I feel like that moved. Which is a bit annoying. Oh no! That's right. Okay. Alright, let's construct a new AFK new. Let's go. I guess really if I just copy. Wait, no, I don't need that. We just need those. Copy. Oh, wait, no, that'll mess up that thing. Okay, this is fine. Copy that. Paste a reference. Oh yeah, I could copy it and then paste a duplicate instead. No, I can't paste a duplicate. Okay, this is fine. Overlay. Okay, new. I want to grab this. And then my dimensions are 1920 by 1080? Yes. And then we reverse the order. Yeah, okay. Is that a little bit hard to read for you guys with the, like, the background behind the chat screen? I think it's okay. Like, that one's, I mean, either way, it's gonna be a little hard because I've got a transparent background behind it. I think that's decent. Because I've sort of been, like, I put the webcam thing there originally because I was like, that'll, like, help keep track of stuff, right? But no, I think I just want chat. Oh, I did wanna throw my little social thing in the bottom though, underneath the break time. That's the other thing I want to do. How the hell am I gonna do that? That's gonna require positioning shit, isn't it? This is fine. We'll work it out. All right, where am I? Where the hell is that screen? This one. Okay. I just need to throw it in the footer. Does this have a footer? Oh, I literally have it in here, and I've just comment. Ah, it's in this. Apparently I coded this at some point. I just commented it out. Good to know. All right, there is a small chance that if I throw this in, and then I think if I make that false, yes, make that false. I may need to change some CSS, but yeah, no, that's broken. Whoops. It's fine. Okay, thank you. All right, well then we're gonna run with this, but I need to I should show you what I've done. This is silly. I know why it did this, but like, ta-da! Little social thing has ended up down in the bottom corner. That's not where it's meant to be. Anyway. Goy! Hello, how you doing? You had the tournament thing. You sent another message the other week, and I read it and then I forgot to respond, and it's been sitting in my brain ever since. So that I should get back to you about that. I'm sorry. It's one of those things that I'm like, yeah, I need to do that. And then I did not get to it. How do I... Is that... I searched this literally half an hour ago and then I forgot. It's gonna break the old ones if I change anything. Wait, no, I literally wasn't using this. Okay, perfect. Where's my old vid div? There we go. Do I have socials in here? I love when you hit a shortcut and it just doesn't do anything, and so you end up typing into your code instead. Things going went to test setup sheet. It's now like, hey, nice work. Who did you end up working with for it? Your SC on the beer. What do you mean by that, Hayden? What am I doing? Right, I need to grab my social stuff from here. And throw it in here? If this just magically works, I'm gonna be very amused. Almost! Wow. I am impressed that I got that close just from copy-pasting some shit around. Alright, so I need to go find... Where's my... No, this one. This is what I need. Wait, do I already have that for the header? Nope. Okay. Nope. Oh, the other problem is this is designed to go on a dark background. Also, something's still weird about that. What have I done? Done something weird. Someone helped out, so my friends did, and the bunch of people I grabbed from Twitter. Nice, okay. Coco and Noah. Oh yeah, they'd be good to have on board. What about Nate? That sounds like you could have a good team there. I'm keen to see how this goes. For everyone else, Goy's organizing a tournament for Splatoon 3. It sounds amazing. I love the idea. I almost wish I had more time to help you with it, but I don't. So I'm glad that you've got all these people jumping in. It'll be alright. Oh, like the graphics with the character? Oh jeez, that would it's a cool idea. I'm just thinking about like the coding of that would be mildly insane. Pilot, is that about the tournament? I don't know. The link didn't come through on my screen if you posted one in. I swear I have links on, but they just seem to not work half the time. But yeah, if you have a link to, I don't know, Discord or something for your tournament, let me know, Goy. I'll send it out to people. Yeah, it didn't come through to me. I don't know. When you have things sorted, if you want to send me like the Discord link or something, I'll throw it around to a few people. I reckon it'd be good. Get a 20 going. Yeah, if you have an idea, Hayden, go for it. Splatoon 3, there will be plenty of people keen to play stuff, I'm sure. So, she's running quite a few things, but you know, more community tournaments always good. Where should I contact? Could just DM me, unless you want to jump in my Discord as well. But DMing me is probably the easiest if you don't want to join any Discords or anything. Dog, you make it very hard to type. The lab is... Yeah, I noticed we got a message in there the other day. We should try and do that for 3. We've been saying that for ages, but yes. It shows it. Oh, we probably need the friend thing. Hey, it worked. I don't know. Discord's weird. Let's send a friend request just in case. I was trying to DM people the other day and I had a lot of trouble for no apparent reason. Like, it was just completely failing. Hey, nice. Splatland Zolcat. Oh, I like that name. Yeah, let me see if I can put it in chat and then it'll work. Maybe? I don't know. Did that come through for everyone else? I'm waiting to see if it turns up on the chat. Oh, there we go. I assume that was okay. I'm sorry if not, Koi. That's the Discord Koi sent me for the tournament. Maybe it's just weird. I'll have to check the settings again. Yeah. Yeah, I guess I'll jump in. I do have a tendency to just mute every server I join that isn't, like, immediately, like something I'm going to be checking all the time. But I am just going to mute it. But I'm in here now, which is something. Yeah. No, this will be good. I'm keen to see how it goes. I don't know entirely if Riptide will really be playing tournaments for Splat 3, because I feel like we're fairly, we just want to chill at this point a bit. But maybe. Okay, I'm staring at this bloody AFK screen. I'm like, what am I gonna do? Like, it's not gonna quite work the way I was thinking. Unless I do something a bit different. Like, hang on. Yeah, so I've got this right, which I kind of like. And then I wanted to put the social thing down under the break time. I play some, who knows? Yeah, pretty much. We might play, we might not, we'll see. I think we're not setting ourselves any expectations at this point. I need to do like a dark version of my socials thing. I don't want to, because that's gonna be a pain. But it might be necessary to make this work. Also, I don't know why. It's like the size of it is complete. Whoa, what the heck? Hang on. Why is it? Oh, well, that explains a lot. Never mind. I suddenly understand why things are really weird on this particular screen. Okay, good to know. Actually, no, we're gonna go. Oh, right. I forgot that doesn't link back. How the heck? Right, so footer's main full width there. Full width and 30 high. So I need to do the same here. It needs to be full width. Why is it slightly... do that. Does that change anything? No. Is it because I've got it... Oh, wait. I put it in the wrong footer, haven't I? No? Oh, no. It's just this screen has the footer inside the div for who knows what reason. Thanks, past me. That's not how that's meant to work. Alright, how much does that break everything? If I fix that up now. Is that the new one? Yeah, that's the new one. Where's my footer gone? Oh. Whoops. That is not how that went. My footer suddenly just went to the top of the page, which is also not useful. Want to try and get like, MT to play again and display. Yeah. Yeah, you never know. Like, there is a lot of people, even the last week or two, people have just been reappearing. But at the same time, like, there's going to be plenty of new people coming in as well. It's particularly, like, Christmas. Every year at Christmas, we get the massive influx of people. So even if you get, like, a couple of friends together and just play together for, like, until then, and then recruit some people at Christmas. Yeah. Okay, what am I doing here? How do I, how is this? No, this is still in the wrapper. Then how did the, what? I don't understand why this is being the way it is. What is the Oh, I didn't realize I did that. Wait, does that mean the wrapper itself has a... Oh! Right. Shit, I forgot I did that. I really need to convert these to, like, React or something, so I'm not doing all this insanity. That's probably gonna be fine if I just... Okay. I need to remember 55 and 20. Is it moving? Okay, so we need to go 55 down. I think it's still... No, it's definitely shifting to the right. 55 down, 20 left. Yeah? Remember that for me? Because I'm not gonna... Alright, what are we doing? So I gotta get rid of... Where's it pulling that in from? Oh god, it's completely remain. Right, because this was an entire redo, I think. Fun, okay. It's the wrapper styles. Div wrapper. Just need padding 0. Alright. Oh, cool. There's my padding 0 pixels. Yep. Alright, and then where's my... No, that's the other picture. Okay. And then I need my... whatever the heck this thing is. My main? Yeah, that needs to go... Oh, that would have split it. Wait, did I say 55-20? Thank you, Pilot and Goy. That's perfect. Putting it in chat is a great idea. Okay, so that means because math and the way things work, this is actually 55-10. But that's fine. We good. The vid div image is the one I want, I'm pretty sure. Alright, so I currently have 220. Wait, it's negative 220? Vid div image, it's currently 220. Right, but I need to push the whole thing down. 55, which means I probably want to move vid down. Yeah, okay. Or I can move this down. Aha! Top 2. So if we make that 260. No, 265. That one. 210 plus 55 is 265. Yes. Oh, wait, what did... Oh, no, that's fine. I mean, it's not great, but it's fine. I'll deal with that if I need to. Okay, yes, I think this is fine. Yeah. Actually, do I kind of like that better? Maybe. I think I like that better. Okay, we won't mess with the other one. Alright, cool. Perfect. Perfect. No, people dislike me. I mean, everyone has a reputation. And also, being online, it's really easy to get misunderstood, unfortunately. So, there will always be people who either don't know any previous reputation or don't care, though, especially with a lot of new people coming in. So, in the end, though, I think it's also, like, comp is a lot. Just almost knocked my water over. Since I'm apparently going to be stuck like this for a while, we are going to put my webcam down. I feel weird sitting at, like, the very bottom of the screen. I have such a reputation. I don't even know what my reputation is at this point. I just... Like, between being an Oshi and running tournaments and stuff, and then banning people occasionally and all this other stuff, I have no idea. That's fine. I've reached the point where I don't... Like, 95% don't care, which is nice. Jim! Hello, how you doing? I am coding my overlays, and actually there hasn't been too much swearing. There's been a lot of cursing past me, which is very, you know, normal for coding. Whoop, that's not the button I wanted. Did that go up? That wasn't meant to go up. That was meant to go down. Why? Wait, what? What I'm seeing on OBS is not the same as what I'm seeing on my screen. Why? Why is it doing it differently? What? You good there, Bobby? Eh? That's the first time I've literally got this open in a browser and it's showing me something different in the browser and in OBS. That's weird. Most feared play with people quiver when they hear my name. Sure, Pilot. We'll go with that. It was very public. Yeah, that's fair. There's sometimes things like that definitely stick around. But, I mean, yeah, still, with all the new people coming in and stuff, who knows? Cleaning and washing today. The workbench is still a mess, though. Yeah, you're a, what? How many bloody Wii's? How many Wii's did you say you had? You sent me a photo of, like, all the Wii's that you have, and it's, like, the shelf of them or something. Okay, well, I don't know why that's being weird. Oh, no, that's why it's being weird. What? What have I done? Did it not save somewhere or something? I'm so confused. Not that one. This one. What did I do to... Oh. Oh. Whoops. Okay, that explains why this wasn't working the way I thought it would. Oopsies. Okay. I mean, that's slightly... Shit. Now I gotta adjust my math again. Actually, is this gonna be easier if I just put... Oh my goodness, I'm an idiot. Why didn't I just... Yeah, that's just gonna be easier if I put this in here, isn't it? How badly that's gonna break shit. We're gonna try it. I'm gonna see what happens. Who knows? Might work just fine. Might be a terrible idea. Won't know till we try it. Let's go. Which overlay do I even have up on OBS? I keep losing track of what I'm using on OBS at the moment because I keep switching it around just to try stuff. Alright, how badly is this gonna break stuff? Oh wow! What did it just... I mean, that's not horrible, but like... What? What just happened? I see. Why is this all the way down here? What? Oh. Oh, because I've got the offset. Wait, did I put that in the wrong place? I probably put it in the wrong place. I mean, it's kind of where I thought it would go, but maybe not. Maybe we just put it in there. No, it still doesn't like that. Okay. My HTML is getting very mad at me. That's the best way I can describe it. It's like, what are you doing? 16 week. Jeez, yeah. History on the internet is a myth. It's pretty easy for things to fade in the background. Be in your head. Yeah, definitely. Public and not in Splatoon. Update squish and hard to see. Yeah, the it's being a bit weird. I possibly should have tried to code this one from scratch instead of copy pasting all the stuff to try and make it work. But anyway, this is fine. We'll figure it out eventually. Just don't know why it's doing that particular thing. It's weird. It's suddenly gained a background as well. Like the thing that I'm trying to move around. One, it's 100 pixels off the bottom of the screen. And I don't know how. And two, oh, no, I know. Oh, fuck's sake. I know why that broke. Yeah, I need you to do the div that's not the footer. Okay, hang on. We're gonna... That makes... I've got two things with the same selector. That would do it. That means giving this thing an ID. I didn't want to give this thing an ID, but I guess we're gonna have to. Why? Alright. My selector's assignment looked like an absolute mess. Anyway. Is that all the instances? Okay, did that fix it? Yeah, we're getting there. It's in the right place now. It's just that something that's meant to be this wide is currently like this wide. So everything's stretched out horribly. Just keep copying. That's literally all I'm doing. So just keep copying and pasting and deleting lines, and eventually we'll get there, right? I actually kind of don't mind where it's been placed now. I just need to figure out where the hell it's getting this background from. Because it's not meant to have a background color. I mean, it's kind of probably a good idea considering this is on white background right now, but where did you get your background from? Oh my god. That's stupid. Section, vid, footer, div. Okay. Section, vid, footer, div, social wrapper. I do want a background, but I don't want it on that. How do I make it a none again? Is it null? Well, that did something. What size is the social wrapper usually? Oh god, that's massive. Why did I do that? Ah, that's a new neighbors. Alright. Yeah, I don't particularly want to make it 100. If I don't make it 100, then... Alright, we're gonna do that to make it work. We're gonna use the thing from the other side just to make it work. And then we'll figure shit out later. Alright. Alright, I'll show you what we got so far. Control C, Control V, Control Yeah, pretty much. Alright, if I refresh this. Okay, this is where we've gotten to. Oh, there's like a weird little... Why is there a dark bit at the bottom? Is this somehow shrunk? It has! By 20 pixels. That's weird. I guess because I changed the padding? Why is this so bloody... Maybe if I just copy paste this in? I don't know. Why is it suddenly got a bunch of padding on one side? A margin on one side? I don't know where that's coming from. Anyway, if I refresh that now. I just need to like... No? There's still just randomly a dark thing at the bottom. I don't know where that's coming from. Where is that coming from? I literally set... Wait, what's it getting its height from? No, it's getting the right height. Why? OBS, what are you doing? It's almost like it's getting an old version of the CSS or something. Anyway, the point is, my current problem is the background on this, like the social media stuff, the Twitter, YouTube, Discord icon. Also, I need to fix those icons so they're the same size. It's like, those are all in white and they're PNGs, so I can't easily change them. So either I do all the work to switch those over to dark so that I can have dark ones on the light background. And then I have to do the same to the text, which is easy. Or I put a background on it. But I think the background looks terrible. Like, we've sort of got the background there, and I think that's terrible. Right? I guess my question is, am I being too picky? Or do you agree that that just doesn't look right? Like, it doesn't work without the background because the text is bloody white. Making the I can make the background lighter, but I don't think it really helps all that much. Like, if I set it to that. Divs, social wrapper. Section, vid, footer, div, socials, wrapper. Yeah, if I just run that. Oh, I meant to also get rid of the border. What? I mean, I could do the background for now, and I can always fix the icons later. Because that is going to take me a little bit. Can it not be transparent? Do you mean... like it is now, or like make it a solid color? Like, I half don't mind that, but... Okay, seriously, what is with the... Oh, wait, shit, my control's on the chat. Where's my bloody... Hang on. Why does he keep going back to the chat? Get to screen. Overlay. Okay. I don't know why there's a dark bit at the bottom. Anyway. Purple bit is clear. The purple bit is clear, it just shows the icons. I'm not sure what you mean, sorry. I'm a bit confused. This is the problem with English, because I don't know, but can it not be transparent? I don't know if you mean, can it be not transparent? Or can it... Wait, no, either of those imply not transparent. English is horrible, okay? And it shows... My brain is hurting. English sucks. English really does suck. Hang on. Okay, so did you mean like this like semi-transparent background bit? Or like make it like a full-on purple and then... Or just not have the background bit? I think that's my options. It's either like I switch the icons and stuff to purple. And then I don't need this backgroundy bit. Or... if I leave the icons and stuff as white, I need some kind of background. And it's either gonna have to be transparency color like this or like a solid block of purple. I think the solid block's just gonna look weird. At least this way it half matches the chat box, but yeah, no background. So that's what I had originally, but then you can't read anything because it's white on white. So yeah, then I'd have to switch the icons over, which won't be terrible. I've just got to play around in my in editing software for a little bit because those are all PNGs. I keep meaning to switch them to SVGs so I can just set a color in my code. Maybe I should do that while I'm at it because I have a program that can do that. I just haven't done it yet. Anyway, what do we reckon? Like if I fix that up so it's got the social thing down there. What do we reckon? I think I like it. I think this is, I gotta figure out what is with that height? That's driving me crazy. Why is it wrong on the height? I'm so confused by that. Like, it's showing me that the buddy... What? And then the positioning on the wrapper is wrong? Is that why it's freaking out? It just has that little bar at the bottom and it's absolutely driving me insane. Yeah, okay, I think I'm gonna have to sit down and do the work in editing software and actually make purple versions of all the icons. I think that's the only way this is gonna look good. That's a problem for later. I gotta fix this thing at the bottom. What is that? Like, that's not from the chat, is it? No, that's literally the overlay being weird? I didn't set some heights wrong or something, did I? No? Why? I'm staring at my bloody overlay thing and like it's correct. Although it does have this, is it not counting the padding? But it's fine on the other ones. Oh, my brain hurts so much. Like it doesn't care with the other ones. Wait, why? Where is it picking up 1060 from? What? Hang on. Why did that just break horribly? I wish you could have seen my reaction just then, because I literally like recoiled from my computer. Because the math is not adding up. What? I have 1060, I remove my padding, which is 10 pixels times 2, and I get 970. Oh, because it's doing the... hate it. But like, okay, that makes a bit more sense. It's because it's replacing the 10 with the 55. Times 2, so 110. So is my math just not adding up? Why is my math not adding? This is where I wish I had a bloody CSS framework. Somewhere in all the math of my code for this bloody overlay, I am like 5 pixels off. If that. That's how I'm getting that bar at the bottom. And the problem now is I gotta figure out where. And there's nothing that's giving me a useful answer on where that is. Like, somewhere in this mess, it's unhappy. But I don't know where. I wonder if this is if this fixes it, I'm gonna be mad. Because this is a really silly way to fix it. But anyway. Okay, let's try that. I am gonna be so mad if this fixes it. Welcome to programming, for those who don't know programming, by the way. This is the kind of bullshit you deal with. It's like my math is off. Well, off by 1 errors is literally like a whole running joke in programming. No, this isn't gonna be any better. Pretty sure this should be a lot worse. No, why did that fix it? My brain. Oh, I hate it. Why? Why did that fix it? What? There is no reason that should have fixed it whatsoever. Wait, can I make that... Can I put that as 0 and have it still fixed? Is this somehow magically the fix for the whole thing? What? Okay, well, it's computing right now, which is something. Oh my... Well, it's fixed. And I only went slightly crazy in the process. I literally just set something to 0. Don't know how that fixed an off by 5 pixel error, but I set something to 0 and it works now. So we'll take it. It's fine. This is the problem with CSS. Because the thing with CSS is literally called cascading style sheets. Because when you have different things that conflict or like follow on from each other, everything cascades. Run! Hello! How you doing? Yes. And so the thing I'm currently working with, I need to clean this up. I have 4 different files of CSS. 4 files of CSS, which are cascading together. And they have so many conflicting styles between them. It's just completely impossible to figure out, like, if there's a bug, like, where it came from. I don't know. I don't know where any of this shit came from. I've cleaned up, like, this new one, this minimal one, I've cleaned up the CSS for this. This is a lot nicer now. I also just didn't need half the CSS anymore, so it's great. But yeah, this new thing, because it's a screen that I've redone so many times. It's just, I've added stuff without cleaning up the previous things, and so it's just become an absolute mess. Totally isn't the bane of my existence during my... Yeah, it's great, right? There's absolutely nothing wrong with CSS. No, it's fine. It's fine. All right, I think I need to push that down now that I've got that, like, not driving me completely crazy. I feel like it's a little bit high. We need to move this down. That block of... Why is that down there? Wait, why do I have a div position static important in here? Where is that coming from? What? Oh, I think that's my Grammarly. Grammarly makes... Oh my goodness, why have I not turned that off? No, we don't want to check for writing suggestions on localhost. Oh, that's silly. All right. Ryan, how you been? It sounds like you need 5 to fix the other one. That will be the solution at some point. We'll be sitting down and combining everything I actually need into one style sheet. But I hate doing that. It's an absolute pain. So we're gonna do that another day. Alternatively, at some point, I'm just gonna rewrite this with a bloody CSS framework, and I'm not gonna have half these problems, hopefully. But we haven't gotten to that yet, so it's fine. All right, where is my controls for the height of this bloody thing? I could just set that. What am I already overriding? This is probably the first thing I should check. What am I already overriding? Wait, no, I don't want to touch that. No, that would be bad. Let's not do that. Let's do this. Okay. If I move this down, that's too far. I really love just being able to type numbers in and seeing stuff change and going, yeah, around that. Okay, no, I think 20 was better. This will be different once I don't have the background on there, though. Maybe 25. Let's do 25. All right, cool. We want a margin top of 25 on the section vid. Fudge. All right, well, we're gonna add this in and hope that overrides. This is the problem. I'm just adding overrides on top of overrides. I really do need to sit down and fix this one day. But anyway, margin top, 5 pixels. Let's hope that overrides properly. It did! Perfect. Okay, once again, we go here. We go in and update this. There we go. That spacing's a little bit better. This is nice. 26 hours of plate up? What is plate up? Oh no. Oh, this looks like something I'd love. Oh no. Cook and serve your dishes, design and decorate your restaurants, and expand your Oh no. This is exactly the kind of game. This just, I mean, I'm immediately reminded of the bloody Facebook games way back when, like restaurant, whatever. Oh, you have a, oh, there's a demo. There's a demo. Hang on, where's my open in Steam button? Give me my open in Steam button. There we go, there it is. That took me way too long to find. Thank you for the game suggestion. This is the thing. Chaos! Hello, how you doing? Welcome to me swearing at code. There wasn't much swearing until like the last 10 minutes, and then there's been quite a bit of cursing in general. Okay, I'm gonna, no, I'm probably crazy to download a game demo while I'm streaming, aren't I? Alright. Why is my OBS not full screen? I don't actually know. Spraying my wrist. No! You know how to strap it up? Like, keep it from moving a bit so you can, let it heal? Or are you gonna try and go to a doctor? Chaos. You might have just wrenched it. Played it as a roguelike overcooked. Really? That's how we're okay. Still, as soon as I see any like restaurant management games like that, I played so many of them in the past. I just, oh my god. Guys. I found what caused the off by 5 error. Okay, I have to show you this. I have to show you this. This is absolutely ridiculous. I don't even know how, like, this got so messed up. I really don't. Hang on. I gotta get it to point at the right thing. That thing. Alright, alright. Wait, can you see my mouse? I don't know if you can see my mouse. Probably not. Anyway, So all this stuff over here is my style sheets, right? These are the 4 style sheets I was talking about that are cascading together to do my styles, which is absolutely batshit. Because each of them is a whole massive thing like this. Yeah, this one's massive, and then there's this thing, and then blah, blah, blah. Anyway, I was trying to figure out where the hell those, like, few pixels were coming from. And then I just glanced at this file. Jim, you know what you said about a 5th style sheet? Turns out, at some point, I had exactly that thought, but instead of throwing the shit in a style sheet, I just threw it straight into the HTML file. And I'm pretty sure that's what's been screwing me up this whole time. I just had some inline styles in there that I completely forgot about. Because -10, I reckon that -10, that fake, oh my god. Anyway, we found the thing. It's fine. We technically have five style sheets for this page, but we'll live. It's fine. Don't worry about it. Do you have anything to splint it with? Do you have at least a bandage and you can like wrap it up tight? Because I haven't, actually no, I did sprain my wrist several times. Because my left wrist, I fractured it when I was young and it's kind of dodgy. I had to learn how to strap it for sports and stuff at some point. So even if you don't have a splint, you can still at least like strap it up and keep it like still if you have a bandage. I obviously past me was doing things the quick and dirty way, and I was packing right. Yeah, okay, so that's not gonna work too well. Well, good luck. I hope it either heals up or you can get to seeing a doctor or something. Sort that one out. Okay. Alright. How long have I been streaming for now? 2.5 hours. Jeez. This is an argument against coding your own overlays. Just doing a few updates. I mean, honestly, it probably would have been faster if I just done this from scratch. Except for the socials thing. That thing is a nightmare. But apart from that, it has taken me 2.5 hours to do these 2 overlays. And like, I fixed up the bot. For everyone who's been like, the bot doesn't work for ages, it does now. What was I trying to check before? I was trying to check art worked. So it might be from my car wreck. I mean, it could have just been it could have been like a little bit damaged back then and then you've just yanked it now and that's made it play up. That's entirely possible. Oh, by the way, I did set up, bloody hell, what's the thing called? Is it B2TV or Francoface that works on YouTube? I can never remember. I set up the one that works on YouTube the other day. I don't know how to use it myself, but if anyone uses BTTV, I think it's BTTV that works on YouTube. That should now work on my stream. And I did put some new emotes in it. 7TV. Oh, that's not one I know. I shall look that one up. Emote sets. Ooh, okay. Oh, hey. Yeah, because I think BTTV only works on like Chrome or something. That's it. 7TV works on Chrome, Firefox, etc. Alright, I'll have to look into that. Thank you. Shows up in the emote button. Is it working? Because I did this the other day and then I haven't actually tested it. I'm not seeing it on my screen. Like, I have BTTV. Check. Thank you, Goe. Yeah, like, I know I set it up the other day. Because I was adding some new emotes. I think I set it up right. I don't entirely know how to do this. Yeah, it's connected. Okay. using... So theoretically it should work. Hey, it works! Neat. Okay, cool. Wait, where the heck? I'm so confused. I don't know how... I would have thought it'd turn up in like custom emojis or something. Is my BTTV just not working or something? There are some dogs making a lot of noise right now. Okay, I'm starting to think my add-on is just not working properly. Anyway, above the usual YouTube stuff. Okay, it's not working for me then, for some reason. Anyway, this is fine. Well, at least they work for you guys. I will take it. I'll look into the 7TV thing. I never heard of that one before. I'm assuming that's your preference then, Ryan, if that's what you're using. Hello. Yes. Alright, so I want to... The last things I'm going to do while I'm streaming is I'm going to go... I have my... So we've done AFK. I have my end and my soon screens. I also actually want to change the wording on end because I don't have a schedule right now. So I might as well. Okay, so this is the problem. It's like that... the XKCD where you have like you have 12 standards and you're like, yes, we'll make one more to, you know, rule them all, and then you have 13 competing standards. Oh, is this gonna be easier if I copy the AFK new and just change the thing instead? I think it might be. I was about to copy the end screen, but then I realized that I'd have to like redo all the changes I made when it'd be easy just to do, maybe, hopefully, easier just to do things this way. Alright, is there anything in the end screen that is particularly specific to it? Yes, that. Alright, and then instead of the text, we want this. Alright, what's this look like? Huh. Did that just work? Oh, I've completely broken my end screen, my old end screen in the process. I'm gonna have to do those icons because, otherwise this is gonna be pretty bad. We're gonna copy my chat over. You good there, Toby? And then, yeah, so I should be able to. I need to change that. I need to fix that font thingy. Overlay and new. What's my width again? 1920, 1080, go. Hey! That actually just worked. Oh my god, that's great. Okay, alright. Next one. We need to do... What is it? Soon. Copy. Paste. Rename. Soon. New. We open up soon. We dump it over here so I can actually see shit. And then we put... Does this not have any weird extra things? Wait, what? No, it doesn't. Okay, apparently we can delete that. And that's just... Is that all I need to do? It's gotten to the point where it feels too easy. I'm like, have I screwed something up? Oh, I do need to... Oh yeah, how's that? Yeah, that wording's fine. Alright, same thing. We copy the chat. Paste it over here. Paste it as a reference, so make life a bit easier. We go grab a browser input. Get that down there. And done. Okay, cool. I've also completely broken my old my old ones in the process of this, but anyway. Technically I can now just get rid of that. That. And that. Neat. And then, okay, one last question. Is it too weird to be going from this style to the new one? Like, it's quite a different style overall, which I'm a little bit... I like having this one where I can like switch between the game and the like switching between game and webcam as the main thing, and then like having all the stuff. I don't know about having that later sub. Okay, to everyone in chat, do any of you ever like pay attention to the later sub thing? Or like if you sub, when you sub, do you care if your name comes up? Because if it was like back when I had, you know, people donating and stuff, it was like, yeah, let's make a fuss because people are donating shit. But now I'm kind of like, I really need to. And I know some people, you know, some people just want to lurk and they probably don't want their name turning up on a thing. I don't know. It's like everyone does things a certain way. And so you end up doing it that way. And then you're like, wait, but do we actually need to? Because I'm not sure we do. Of course, my biggest problem if I change any of this is I don't want to have anything overlaying the game. That's why I have this set up, because I wanted to have the game like by itself here and then everything around it. So having new people be shown to the streamer, or people, yeah, but it's kind of, I don't know. Maybe change to be like first time chatter or something, be a bigger deal. Yeah, that's true. I mean, because also like, actually no, YouTube doesn't make a fuss of that, does it? Twitch has started making a big deal of first time chatters, but YouTube, it's a thing on Twitch. Yeah, I did like when they brought that in on Twitch. I mean, I guess the question is, does StreamElements support it? Oh my god, the bloody... It's been just continuous helicopters the last little while. It's been driving me crazy. Let's see if StreamElements supports it, because I guess that's the question. Let's see. No, let's duplicate this so we don't screw anything up. Oh, YouTube submit. All right, what can they give me? That's the question. Yeah, I feel like I've never really paid attention to it, which is kind of why my brain's gone, do I really need to? Labels. All right, so I've got subscribers, blah, blah, tips, blah, blah, super chats, sponsors. So that's members and stuff. And then you just got like general event list, etc. Ooh. There are Halloween things in the... There's a ghost? Oh my god. You can put like a tiny little ghost on your overlay. That is adorable. Hang on, what's the trick or treat one? Oh, you can pick... There's a cat. Oh wait, no, they're just little stickers? They're just little stickers. Well, that's disappointing. I was excited because I thought they were like... Only the ghost is animated. That's sad. Yeah, it doesn't look like... Oh wait, engagement? No, that's a countdown. Alert box, map cup, etc. Yeah, it doesn't seem like there's anything... There's nothing for YouTube like that. I wonder if I could get it to throw something in chat. I guess that's the other thing, like if it can throw something in chat instead, and then it would turn up in the chat box because I have that on my screens. It's not quite as like fancy. Like it's not a big thing on the overlay to show up, but maybe I should think about that a bit more. I don't know, I'm just sort of thinking like I wanna do something with this. I just don't. The hardest thing is when your like aspect ratio of the game is the same as the stream size, which makes sense, but that means that trying to fit other things around the stream is just... It's a bit of a nightmare. I could definitely make my little... The thing that the... Wait, this way. That thing. I can make that shorter. Because that's not, like the Elgato thing isn't using the whole height of that. I guess though, but then when we switch to this one, it's showing the whole height. I don't know, this shit's hard. I have so much respect for people who like make overlays for money, like as a job, and have to figure all this shit out all the time from probably like absolutely terrible descriptions that people give them or what they want. Because this shit's hard. It really is. Yeah. I think the main thing that's bothering me about this label, wait, I'm so bad at this thing. See how it's not centered? I can't center it. You just can't. It doesn't work. I think that's the main reason that bothers me. So, why is that? Oh right, I need to restart the script. Oh hang on. I should have done that after fixing my multiplayer. I think I did this at 500. Wait, is the art one fixed now? It should say art credit instead of... Oh yeah, the text was black for some reason on the other one, wasn't it? Why is this black? Why is it doing that? Hello, Toby. Have you had enough cuddles? Why? Wait, shit. I need a breakpoint. Okay, cool. We got it. Why is the text black? It's meant to be white. Why is this being dodgy? Puppy. Oh. You good? What's up? What's up? You're no longer comfy. What has it done? Why is your font not white? No. I mean, actually, I'll have to be fixing this later. But we might as well make it all the same for now. Where's my socials mini? Where did it go? I've got too many things open. Okay. Oh, right. Because I had it up there and then I changed that and... Okay, that should be fixed now. Toby, don't you go falling. He's gotten into this habit of standing on my knees, and 1, it can hurt, and 2, I'm very worried about him falling. Go on, get down there. Oh, ow. You are gonna break my knees one of these days, dog. And I changed the thing, and therefore it's taking forever. Where's this thing? Okay, hang on. This is the last thing I think I want to fix, and then... Oh wait! Morning girl, welcome! How you doing? Now that Toby's gone, I can sit up properly. Wait, is that... Renee? I'm guessing from the Aloha. Since I don't recognize the username. Have I broken something? No, it's not broken. It's just being dodgy. Okay. I mean, that's not new. It is! Okay, good. I'm glad I guessed right. Welcome, welcome. How you doing? It's been a while. Today is a, swearing at my overlays day. Decided to finally sit down and fix all the things that have been broken for ages. So, actually, I think... That should be a command. But I don't know if it's gonna work. Oh, it did! Neat. Okay, I fixed my bot. No, I hit the wrong button. Whoops. Go to the thing, please. Yes. That... There is a double slash before commands. That URL seems completely wrong. Hang on. What? Is that a default command or is that one that I've set up? That's a default command. And that... That looks weird. Oh geez, I forgot the StreamElements tips thing is on. Do I actually have that on? Just waiting for Disney Dreamlight Valley. What's that one? I don't recognize the name of that one. That's so broken. I'm now like completely baffled by this command and the fact that it's... How is that meant to be helpful? Like, just look at the bloody, the URL. That doesn't help. Oh! Oh, there's meant to be... Okay, well, I'm gonna turn that off, and, Wow. So, you know how I mentioned earlier that the, How do I get to that for the YouTube channel, though? Oh, that's terrible. Hello? What? There, have your blanket. Brat? What? I think StreamElements have messed up. Okay. And the commands thing that's meant to spit out your list of commands for Twitch doesn't work on YouTube. Because they haven't converted it properly, apparently. So I'm manually adding one. Because, yeah. The default one is broken. Alright, that probably won't work that quickly because gonna take a little bit to kick in, I think, but it's like Animal Crossing, bit Disney. Oh, okay. Neat. All right. All right, I fixed the thing. You can see all the commands now. Let's show price. That's so silly. Toby, what have you done? You're being crazy, boy. How did you drag your blanket all the way over there? I put it on you because you seemed like you wanted one. He's pouring at my nice fluffy Ugg boots as if he wanted like a blanket or something. And then, no, you're the one that jumped down. You want it down. Hi. Hello. Can they see you right now? No, they can't. I have a dog. Hi. What you doing? What you doing? You want something? Uh-huh. It's not even dinner time. It's not walk time either. It's just 5:40. 5:40 doesn't mean anything. Hello. You just want attention. Is that all? You just want attention. Uh-huh. He's like, why are you talking to all these people and not talking to me instead? Yes. Oh, my knee is sore. My knee is sore from before. From you jumping on it. Yes. Yes. Hi. Wait, don't attack my headphones. Thank you very much. Ugh. I do need to set up my old webcam as a proper Toby cam. I've been meaning to do. Oh my god. This. I just need a new boom. This boom just drives me crazy. I need a new boom. Hey? Hello? Hello? You wanting cuddles and then not. Ah, my headphones. My headphones. That is my headphones. Ah. Oh, you're going after my chocolate milk. No, you can't have my hot chocolate. This one is addicted to milk. And every time I leave any cups of milk around the house, he will find them within about 5 seconds and start drinking them. Which is not too bad if it's just milk, particularly because I get Zymil, which is lactose free. But it's quite a problem when it's hot chocolate or coffee. Which he was ignoring for quite a while, but then more recently has gone, hey, that's also milk. I want some coffee. Hey, you want coffee? You think it'd be great? I do not want a caffeinated dog. Thank you very much. I literally like put a glass of milk down in a different room. Like he was in another room. I put a glass of milk down. I walked out of the room to the kitchen, walked back, and he had stuck his nose in the glass and was drinking it. So I just can't leave milk alone at all. And I have hot chocolate on my desk here, and I think that's partly why he's going, can I have the hot chocolate, please? Which, no, you can't. You can't have hot chocolate. That would be very bad. Little brat. All right, what am I doing? Toby is the milkman. He will steal it. He really will. He definitely wants to. He has also stolen a puppuccino off another dog before, which, to be fair, they were like, they've already drank half of it. It's fine. He wasn't drinking it anywhere. But he literally just like walked. There was like a cup on the ground because this dog was drinking a puppuccino, had been drinking a puppuccino. And Toby just like walked straight to it and stuck his nose in it and started drinking it. And I was like, I'm so sorry. And they're like, it's fine, it's fine. But he's very much a milk thief. It's become a slight problem. Is that comfortable? Usually when he's on my lap, I put my feet up on the ottoman. That's why it's there. So he's like, got like a flatter platform to lie on. But I'm currently not doing that. My feet are on the ground, which means my legs are sloping downwards. And he's like weirdly crushed himself. He's on top of my legs, but he's crushed himself against the desk. I guess so he doesn't just go sliding off. No, 25th on bear. Should I buy both on the same week? I mean, how long's each one going to take you to play? I'd say if you're not worried about stock levels, buy whichever one you're more keen to play. Play it, finish it, and then buy the other one. Unless like there's a sale on or you might play both at once, then whatever, but... Alright. I got a text message earlier that I've got to check on as well. What was that? Okay. I do have to answer that. Alright, can you get down? I think as of last night, I've found someone who might be able to dog sit Toby for me occasionally, which is gonna be great. School cat and dessert. Alright, yeah. Something like I'm curious what it's about. Buying games is not, you have to know which ones are the right. Yeah. See, I just don't buy games a lot of the time and avoid all of this. But yeah. Sometimes it, yeah. I have managed to keep my Steam library under 50 games. I think maximum I'd have 50 games in my Steam library right now. But there's definitely a couple in there that I bought thinking I'd play them and I haven't. So, yeah. 5 Pets Splatfest isn't scheduled for PAX weekend? Under for 600. Games with Steam library I played once or twice, and yeah, I've got a couple like that. I think I've got a couple like, I got them in a humble bundle, so there's that. And then I have ones that I thought I'd really like. Like I got the humble bundle because it had like the majority of the games I thought I'd really like. And then I played like 3 of them and I didn't like any of them. I think that particular humble bundle I'm thinking of, I ended up playing, like liking one of the games from it. That was it. So I have a few things on my wish list that I probably should buy one of these days. But yeah. Been playing something recently. Actually, I have Steam open, so I might as well. Like on and off. I've been playing, where is it? What's it called? Potion Craft. Which is just like such a simple thing. It's like, it's nothing fancy. It's just a nice way to like kill some time and have to think a little bit, but not too much. But I've been really enjoying that. One of the YouTubers I follow, didn't even like, I don't think even did a video about Potion Craft. Just like a screenshot of it appeared in a video about something else. And apparently enough people asked him about it. He was like, oh, in like the next video he made, he's like, so by the way, just quickly, that game was Potion Craft. Moved on, and I saw it in that and I was like, oh, that looks kind of cool. Sorry, I do need to reply to this text message, so I'm just doing the thing. Ice cream sandwich guy? Yeah, that. Because in game chat, I saw that. Thank you for that. You gonna play Hogwarts like nah. Like I mentioned the other day, yeah, I don't give money to rolling anymore. It's no. Nope. I'm just sick of her and all that shit. So she has enough money too. The fact that she was richer than the Queen at one point, I think she still is. I don't know. That's a stupid amount of money. She doesn't need any more money. So also just the older I've gotten, the more I look back at Harry Potter, I'm like, that was terrible. Like, I guess she could write and stuff, but Jesus, there's a lot of problems with those books. I'm trying to think how to word something. Like, I'm trying to be like a, just whenever it suits you. That's literally the words. Saying it out loud, I found the words I needed. All right, Jim. See you. Thank you for tuning in. Have a good night. If you ain't giving money. Yeah, like anything that uses anything to do with Harry Potter, J.K. Rowling will get money off. In some way or shape. Yeah, like Portkey would have bought the right to make the game from J.K. Rowling. So they've already paid her most likely. She might get royalties if the game sells a heap, but they probably had to pay her like $1 million to make the game. Like, if it has Harry Potter on it or anything to do with the Wizarding World, J.K. Rowling is getting money from it. Doesn't matter who made it. She has the IP. Legally, it's hers. She will get money from it. Unless she's signed some stupid contracts. But I very much doubt that, considering how rich she's gotten. Here's the other thing I remember learning about HPs before toilet seats. Yeah, there's a whole... It's just about... Honestly, I don't even want to think about it. I also have no interest in Harry Potter anymore, Alpha. When you actually get into the books and all of the shit behind it, and like... No. I don't, but also I don't care. I just don't care about Harry Potter anymore. I have zero interest in it. Which is kind of sad, considering I really liked it when I was young. But no. The world and everything is just... terrible. The deeper you look into the world of Harry Potter, the worse it gets. That's all I'm gonna say. I have no interest. That's it. $50 a lot. With this alpha is do things still by the books, and that's where a net worth can work. Yeah. Like... books now is on romantic fantasy. Oh yeah. Fair enough. I've been reading... the... I just completely forgotten it. I will say I've been rather amused following the whole bloody Fantastic Beasts and the pain that that has caused. I think like Warner Brothers and shit. I mean, it's kind of terrible, but also I'm amused at what the way that's gone terribly. I'm stuck. Yeah. I still have never, I've read like a tiny bit. And then I was just like, I'm so confused and I gave up. I haven't seen number 3 and I have no interest. Honestly, I don't even want to talk about Harry Potter Alpha. There's, no. I also just know too many people who have been, like, personally hurt by shit that Rowling's done and said and stuff that is in the Harry Potter books. Yeah, no, I'm just completely turned off it now. So, what have we were talking about movies and manga and anime and stuff the other day, which was good. And I showed, Just One Damn Thing After Another, which I've been reading. Has anyone read Brandon Sanderson's novels? I've been trying to get into them, and I made decent progress on Way of Kings, which I'm amused by, because I think that's his longest book yet, which is saying something, considering all his books are bloody long. But I tried, what was it I tried to read? It was something else. Mistborn? Yeah, I tried to read Mistborn. And I couldn't get into it. I don't know, like, I think Mistborn was the first one he got published. Oh, if anyone likes fantasy books, by the way, if you know Diane Juan, I don't know why, but she keeps running sales lately, like every week. And basically every single thing, she and Peter Morwood, I think they're married, I'm not quite sure. Well, something, they're friends at least. They have a website that they sell ebooks of all their books on. And every like weekend for the last couple of months, they've been selling the entire shop. All of the books they've both published ever. And Diane Juan's like 70 something, so a lot. They sell the whole shop for $44, if I remember correctly. So I bought that at one point. So I just have like all of the books by Diane Juan and Peter Morwood. Which one of these days I'll read. They're young adult fantasy, if I remember correctly. Pilot, good luck. See you. I hope you can actually manage to get the thing done. I kind of do want fancy, otherwise books are better than having to read over virtual means. I don't know, I don't like virtual books. I used to prefer paperback, and then I just got so used to reading online that I always read ebooks now. I did buy Just One Damn Thing After Another in paperback. Honestly, I used to hate the idea of like making any marks on my books or anything, but I think I might actually write some notes on one. Maybe I'll use Post-its, I don't know. But there's something about it and something about the way it's written that I actually want to study as a writer and be like, how is this done? Because there is something about that book and I can't put my finger on it, but it just reads differently. So, I started reading A Discovery of Witches by Deborah Harkness, which I did like. but I got distracted from it by other things. So I have to, with all of Diane Duane's books in here, I just have way too many books. Because I bought all of hers, and there's like 40 of the bloody things. Where's Mistborn? Hang on, is it down the bottom in like the... Oh yeah, Mistborn, Final Empire. I started reading that, I just couldn't get into it. Back to where I was read. Fair enough, Goy. See y'all. Thanks for tuning in. It was good to chat, and good luck. I am keen to see how that turns out. Actually, shit, it is 6 o'clock. I should probably stop streaming as well. It's been over 3 hours. This was meant to be like a short stream. That did not happen. I actually have to do some work stuff for this new job of mine. Shit. All right, I'm gonna stop ranting about books, but if anyone has any recommendations, feel free to throw them in the Discord. Especially Renee. Let me know what authors you've been looking at, because I am trying to get back into reading more books, like mainstream books. So I've just been reading such random shit for so long. Anyway, yes, I need to go like have dinner and feed the dog and do work stuff and all the other things. So I'm gonna go do that. Thank you for watching, everyone. This was fun. I hope you enjoyed all the crazy technical shit. But yes, thank you for watching. I hope you have a wonderful night, morning, evening, whatever it is, wherever you are. Bye. New end screen. 28 days later. Okay.